like to remind our two athletes that are with us today, two athletes, your start.
Go for it.
Let's get it started. I'm looking for a girl with a body and a sexy stroke. Wanna get it poppin', baby, step right up.
First race.
This morning. Guys look great. You're the smart ones, right?
Cause I knew you so well, better than myself, better than myself. Do you feel it, drifting slowly down? Do you feel it, do you feel it? All this distance, I've been reaching out. Do you feel it, do you feel the way we're falling out of time?
Nobody else above. Nobody else above you. I hate somebody else. Body.